Hey, maybe you heard this big money news. Widely used free budgeting app Mint is shutting down on January 1st, 2024. And this is a big deal for a lot of users. And if that's you, here's some things to consider as you prepare for a replacement. Now, some of the features are going to live on in the Credit Karma app, but it doesn't look like budgeting and spending category tracking will. So here's what you should do first. First, you want to save your data. Make sure that you download the data. Mint will let you do that. You can even take screenshots of some of the features of the app that you like the best, that you use the most, and then you can start looking for a new app, and you want to compare and contrast. Think about costs. Some apps are free. Some apps cost a little bit of money. Look at the reviews. See what people say about them. A couple that come to mind: Pocket Guard, You Need a Budget, Honeydew for budgeting with your honey. And then you can turn to the Nerds. NerdWallet has a free app with lots to offer, including a 50-30-20 budgeting breakdown. Plus, the Wall Street Journal named the NerdWallet app best free budgeting app. The bottom line is there are lots of apps to choose from, so do your research and turn to the Nerds because there's a review for that app to budget your money.